Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today's video will be showing you how to change file type or file extension on Windows 10. This is really a simple method. The first thing that you need to do is to open the Start menu, then type in File Explorer option. A window will open, then left-click the View tab. Then scroll down and find the Hide extensions for known file types. Now you need to uncheck it. Then click Apply and then the OK button. Now I have here a sample file. So I'm going to change this to MP3. I'll change it to .mp3. I'm going to right-click on it, then select Rename, then I'm going to type .mp3, a pop-up window will appear and will ask if I want to change the file extension and that the file may become unusable. Let's click Yes. And that's it. It's very simple. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.